for the elaboration of the audio take into account the development of structure. My name is Luis Eduardo Letón Torres. I identified with identity card. The 1960-3547 of training of program analysis and visual graphic media. The name of the activity present is evidence audio. I am currently studying visual graphic media, for which I must have several attitudes such as being positive and collaborate, trustworthy and empathic. Likewise, I must keep in mind some values that help me maintain a positive attitude, demonstrating these values through the activities in willing to do with my classmates and teachers. These values I must put into practice are camaraderie, respect and responsibility, and dialogue. Also, as student I should be up to date with the evidence and have to be responsible with the tasks assigned during training, mistakes and appearances. I must follow with supervisor's instruction to properly perform my duties, and I must carry a notebook with me so I don't forget what I've been told.